Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fame Renaissance here. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're returning. I'm absolutely honored to see you here, okay? And today we're going to be reviewing first impressions, unboxing, all of that. Aina's self-care brand, Forvrmood. Guys, I have been waiting for this product for the longest, okay? I spent nearly close to, I think, $200 on the website. So Jackie, if you see this, I appreciate you. I wanted to invest in your brand, see what you like. Been a fan for years, okay? So here's my little 2 pence on it as a UK reviewer. I did want to unbox with you guys so we can just go through this together, okay? Let's self-care Sunday together. Okay, together. Yeah. But before I get onto it, please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content. It really does go a long way and I appreciate all your support thus far. So the first product I'm going to review is the Forvrmood lip kit. Guys, if you want to be grown in this 2021, stop blowing out your candles. Just stop doing it. It's childish. So the reason I got this, take better care of my candle collection. Like I mentioned in my one of my previous videos, I do enjoy buying candles. I do enjoy buying luxury candles. So, you know, there's no point just treating them like, you know, ordinary candles. Take care of your candles. So in here we have snuffers, we have the wick trimmers, which do help to maintain the candles longevity. So here you can see it's got the Forvrmood logo. Great quality, all in gold. I absolutely love that for us. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. I think it's just so me, so my personality, and it's just like, you know, if you know someone that's into candles, this makes a really great gift because the packaging, the products are just great quality. This is the wick trimmer. Again, I think it has her logo on here. Very lightly embellished, but obviously it's for you to get it, then see how it looks, right? But it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous, look at that. And I think this just presses the wick into the wax to maintain its longevity, and you can like put out a candle with it as well. Just a bit of a glam way, just a bit of a grown way, guys. Like, stop letting your mother-in-law see you blow your candles out, okay? This is why she's asking for discounts on your bride price, because you're still blowing out candles and she doesn't get why. When we have the lit kits like this, absolutely great packaging. Guys, the packaging is out of this world. It was so worth the wait. It took about 3 weeks to come. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was getting a bit worried because the tracking doesn't match the dispatch. So even though it was on its way, the tracking actually wasn't updating. So I was thinking like yesterday or a couple of days ago, like 3 weeks and still no tracking number. Okay, this is beyond me. But you know, once it got to the UK, it got delivered by Hermes, so it came within about a day and it came today. So in total, yes guys, 3 weeks. And when I say 3 weeks, I mean 3 weeks in working days, so about 18 days or so to come. So that was the lip kit by Forvrmood. Absolutely gorgeous. The next product is this super cute silk headband. Guys, just look at that. Again, packaging 10 out of 10, guys. She says for convenience, style, lounging and maintenance. Super cute. I love that. I love that. I love that. Then we unbox and we have, this is 100% silk. I got it for the aesthetic, let me not lie. I don't really need, you know, an expensive silk headband, but if you're gonna shop big, right? So it says edges forever secured. Absolutely gorgeous. Silk is very good for your edges, for your hair, retains moisture, stops breakage and all of that good stuff. So Super cute, like super cute. Hand wash only with cold water, so hopefully that's visible there. Absolutely gorgeous stuff. I got the color beige, but I think they also have it in pink. Gorgeous texture, gorgeous packaging. It really was worth the wait, guys, because it is luxury. I think that this is very Jackie. It's everything that it says on the tin, and I think it's well worth the money. Super proud of her so far. Haven't smelt the candles yet, but from what I'm seeing, you know, with the packaging and everything, super proud. Absolutely proud of her as a Black woman and as an entrepreneur. The next product I will be reviewing is this pistachio cake frosting scented candle. This is called Caked Up. Guys, again, look at that packaging. I think this was about $35 if I'm not mistaken. Oh my God, I can smell it already. Guys, this is what I was talking about when I said that when I spend on my candles, I like them to have a great scent throw, okay? And I was talking about this with regards to the elephant and bamboo video that I did last time, and this scent throw is out of this world. I can smell it from here. I can smell it from here, and guys, it really does smell like a cake. Gosh. Guys, this smells so good. That is the Caked Up. Oh my goodness. I can't get enough of it. Guys, when this burns, Jesus, I can't believe what it's about to be, because unlit is something that I've never smelled before. It's just literally smells like this beautiful cake factory. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Packaging is gorgeous. The logo is actually a sticker. This is not engraved like the cap. The cap also has like a rim of plastic around it to keep it secure around them. It's a 1-wick candle as well, if I haven't said that already, and it does come with burning tips and care at the bottom. Oh, guys, Jesus. Guys, this is so good. It's so good. Like, I can't wait to have this. I might even put this in my room because it just smells like just a beautiful scent for your room. Definitely a feminine scent, I will say that. I'm not sure if males would love this. However, it's the kind of scent that you would love if you were staying at your girlfriend's house or at your woman's house, but you wouldn't I don't see a macho man being particularly invested in this, but I think he would appreciate it. If you do enjoy feminine scents or like a kind of like baked sort of vibes, you will appreciate this. But for the most part, I would probably advise it is more feminine. Obviously, with the pink and all that aesthetic, it is predominantly feminine. But males, if you like sweet scents, go get it. I also invested in the SendMoods collection. Listen, guys, I ain't sent nudes in a while, okay? So I'm about to send you nudes instead. Ooh, child, look at this. Oh, open to get lit. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Brilliant wordplay. Box is great. Got a little message: in your kitchen, in your bedroom, or in your bathroom, you decide. XOXO, Jackie, Aina. Packaging is so well thought out. Again, scent throw is crazy. This box, when I first opened it, it smells like chocolate. Literally, it's just what it smells like. And if you can see, I've got the 4 minis. We Not Linking, Grown Folk Business, Hey Big Head, and Skinny Dipped. Beautiful. I love that about Jackie. She's clever. She's clever with her wordplay. It smells like just chocolate. It smells like chocolate. Guys, the scent through the oils that she used in this, I don't know what oils they are, but they're very deep. This is We Not Linking. Oh, love this. Guys, I love the whole brown aesthetic as well. If you know me, I think it matches quite well with the aesthetic that I love to go for. Smells just like chocolate. I love it. I'm gonna smell all of them and then I'll tell you guys my favorites. This one is like a more sweeter scent. This is Grown Folk Business. This smells like very, very sweet. I get vanilla and I get musk, if I'm not mistaken. Not as sweet as Caked Up. I think if you're the type of woman who shares a space with men, like maybe you live with your boyfriend or live with your husband or partner, or you like a little bit of, you like the scents more on the muskier side, I think you would appreciate this. This can work as a unisex candle, definitely. Grown Folks Business, I love that. I love that. It's a nice tinge of sweetness to it, but it's not as sweet as Caked Up. Just that hint of chocolate. It smells a little bit, I'm getting coffee as well. Maybe there's coffee in the notes. I haven't read them. Like I've mentioned previously, I don't like to read notes when I unbox, because when I read notes, I feel like my mind is going to be forced to smell something. I want to tell you guys exactly what I smell without having to read the notes, if that makes sense. So that's why I don't read them. I read them before I buy, but then I'll probably have forgotten them by the time they come. So I just go with what I smell. Hey Big Head is another part of the minis collection. Again, these are all 1 wick minis. Ah, coffee. This smells like, oh god, this smells like kind of like a chocolate mocha. That's what I'm getting for it. The coffee is dominating here and I like it. It's dominating in a nice way. If you like the smell of coffee, like especially like sweet kind of frappes and stuff like that, this smells like a frappe to me. This smells like exactly like the McDonald's mocha frappe. If you've ever had that drink, or if you ever had a mocha frappe, yeah, you would love that. That's again a 1 wick candle. Hey Big Head by Forvrmood. And I'm going lastly with Skinny Dipped. Nice, more vanilla-y, more sweet. Kind of smells a little bit cakey. On a similar vibe to the bigger candle Caked Up, but the candle Caked Up, I get more of the pistachio in there. But this smells like just like a beautiful pastry to me. That is Skinny Dipped by Forvrmood. I'd probably say my favorite out of, if I was to go and get the bigger size, because these do come in the bigger sizes, by the way, 4 of them. But I wanted to get the small one to be sure that I liked it. And apparently these do last long and they smell like they would, because the scent throw without being lit is crazy. Grown Folks Business is my favorite out of all of them. I think like the musk tinge to it is really nice. It's inviting to all. It just smells, guys, Jackie has done a madness. Jackie and Dennis even have done an absolute madness with this brand over here. The only thing I wish was that the shipping was a bit quicker, but I understand. The only thing that was making me kind of impatient was the fact that the shipping journey was not updating on tracking. So that might be something they need to look into, just to remove the apprehension. But they did explicitly say on their website that due to COVID, these products will take between 2 and 4 weeks for international orders. I think shipping was around $20. I did not pay custom this time. Actually, even though the products came at the same time, I ordered the lit kit, so the candle kit, separately, because actually, hold on, the shipping varied because I split the packages into 2. So I think the first one was $19.99 and the second one was maybe like $30-something or something like that, for the shipping. Reason why I split them was because I realized after making other international orders that if you are shipping internationally, you do not pay duty and tax over £135. And following my experience from other brands such as MFK, etc., I didn't know that before, so I made an effort to research and I found that out, which is why I split the orders into two, because I realized that just in the very case that duty and taxes were not covered, I would not have to pay them if each order was under £135. Now, if you make your conversion into dollars, it's a lot more, okay? I think I spent all in all close to about $200, maybe about $200 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, but do you know what? Well worth it. I'm super happy with the smell of the candles. Can't wait to burn them, because without burning I can smell it, and I'm just gonna leave it unburnt for a while because I'm popping out, and I'm gonna see just how well it can fill the room without even being burnt. Because guys, I'm so excited. I really hope you've enjoyed this review and feedback about Forvrmood. That was all the items I bought. That was my mini haul that I brought to you. That's again Forvrmood by Jackie Aina and her partner Dennis. So guys, once again, if you want more content like this, please like, comment and subscribe, and take care of yourself this Sunday. Mwah, mwah.